Click to enter the clamp compensation interface. Enter the number of compensations according to the actual situation. Perform operations as prompted. Press the Start button. The workpiece starts to run and the system starts to measure. After the data is stable, click OK. The system stops measuring and the workpiece stops running. Follow the prompts on the system interface to perform corresponding operations. Find the diagonal nuts. Loosen the nut as shown. Turn the workpiece 180 degrees, keep the scale plate and fixture still. As shown on the screen, screw in nuts. Lock the nut. Click Start. Press the Start button. The workpiece starts to run and the system starts to measure. After the data is stable, click OK. Press the Stop button. Workpiece stops running. As shown on the screen, turn on compensation. Fixture compensation is now enabled. If there is no fixture, turn off this function.